Factor Meals Cancellation Deadline Explained. Step 1. Factor's cancellation deadline is every Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Central Time. This deadline applies for the upcoming weekly delivery. If you miss it, even by a few minutes, you'll still be charged and your bags will be shipped. Step 2. Log in your account at factor75.com. Click your profile icon, then go to Settings, Plan Settings, click Cancel Subscription or Pause Deliveries. Be sure to do this before Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Central Time. Step 3. If you don't want to cancel completely, you can skip a week instead. Go to My Meal, Upcoming Deliveries, tap Skip Week before the deadline. This gives you more flexibility without losing your preferences. Step 4. If the deadline has passed, you can't cancel or skip. You'll be billed, and meals are non-refundable. Only customer service might assist in rare situations, but it's not guaranteed. Pro tip and reminder. Set a weekly reminder every Wednesday before 9 p.m. Central Time. Use the app's notification settings to stay on track. This helps avoid unwanted charges or surprise deliveries. And that's it.